Enterprise Policy Management. CA SiteMinder Enterprise Policy Management is an access management model that enables business users to create security policies using terms they understand. EPM applications combine all of the elements of a security domain into a simple concept that is easy to understand and manage. Protecting a business application as easy as describing the resources to be protected, describing the users who have access by creating EPM roles, and creating the security policy by associating roles to resources. SiteMinder support for delegation gives the ability to control what administrators are allowed to manage within SiteMinder and who can delegate which privileges. CA SiteMinder Agent Discovery can allow Forward Inc. to save time and administrative costs by displaying in one easy-to-read window the status, location, and associated policies on all your SiteMinder agents. It is now easy to see what agents are connected and in use, and which are orphaned and no longer necessary. In this use case, we demonstrate CA SiteMinder's powerful policy management features, such as application policy management and delegated administration. In addition, we will demonstrate powerful agent discovery feature. The IT security administrator logs into the SiteMinder Administrative Console. CA SiteMinder centralizes Forward Inc. security management. This can reduce security management costs and provide consistent policy enforcement across all applications. In one centralized location, Forward Inc. SiteMinder administrator can manage users from multiple directories and user stores. Policies for all endpoints are managed in single location as well. Let's take a look at the client portal application that has been demonstrated in previous use cases. Business users can utilize roles to grant access. These roles are based on the named expressions previously created by technical administrators in the directory configuration. And policies can be built in business-friendly terms, making it as simple as possible to govern and manage user access. Note how the different components for client portal application are defined in one central location. Client account details page is protected by ARCAD authentication scheme, and in advanced settings, risk factor support can be added for specific pages. SiteMinder then uses this risk score to determine risk of allowing access to more secure or sensitive materials to achieve a more fine-grained user authorization experience. Multiple administrators can be defined with different privileges. For example, if we log out as the IT security administrator and log in as the SharePoint auditor March Walton, we can see that her administrative privileges has been scoped to only view access into the Forward Inc. Manager portal application. Financial Administrator Brian Mendoza has modify access into the Forward Inc. financial application. Let's log in back as superuser to demonstrate CA SiteMinder Agent Discovery feature. Browse to Agent Instances. Note that this is a list of all agents that have checked in with the policy server at some point in time. Administrator can sort the agents by host, type, version, state to make them easier to locate. Note the icon in the state column. Green indicates the agent is still connected to the policy server. When administrator clicks on the Show Details icon for one of the agents, the 4 tabs are populated underneath the list of agents. Note the detailed information in each of the 4 tabs. The Host tab shows the name of the SiteMinder trusted host connection that is established between the agent and policy, including the IP address that the agent is connecting from. The Instance tab shows the type and version of SiteMinder agent, as well as other information that the policy server uses when establishing secure agent connections. The Agent Associations tab indicates the agent name that is used to associate the agent with specific protection policies, and the Policy Associations tab provides a list of the policies associated with the agent.